The M53-59 Praga is a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun developed by Czechoslovakia in the late 1950s. This versatile weapon system combines mobility, firepower, and ease of maintenance, making it a valuable asset for numerous armies around the world. Built upon the trusted Praga V3S 6x6 truck chassis, the M53-59 was designed to serve as both an anti-aircraft platform and a ground support vehicle. Despite its origins over 6 decades ago, this vehicle remains relevant, with its design influencing anti-aircraft strategies in modern warfare. The M53-59 Praga was developed by the Czechoslovakian defense industry to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving battlefield. Its core structure is based on the Praga V3S, a multi-purpose truck with a 6x6 drivetrain known for its reliability and off-road capabilities. To adapt this chassis for a military role, the designers added an angular, aluminum armor body, providing basic ballistic protection for the crew of 4, including driver, commander, and 2 gunners. The truck's propulsion was powered by Tatra T9122 6-cylinder air-cooled diesel engine, generating 110 horsepower, enabling the vehicle to achieve a top speed of 37 miles per hour, equivalent to 60 km per hour, and a range of 310 miles, or 500 km. Its torsion-based suspension allowed it to navigate rough terrains, ensuring it could deploy in diverse battlefield environments. Mounted on the rear of the vehicle was the M53 twin 30mm autocannon, which was the heart of the system. These 2 guns, positioned side by side, were manually operated and could traverse and elevate for anti-aircraft or ground support roles. With no integrated radar or advanced fire control system, the crew had to rely on manual aiming and optical sights, limiting its effectiveness against fast-moving or high-altitude targets. The vehicle carried up to 900 rounds of 30mm ammunition, making it formidable for both anti-air and ground engagements, especially against light armor and infantry. Initially deployed with the Czechoslovak Army, the M53-59 Praga was exported to various nations, particularly in the Middle East and Africa, with countries like Egypt, Iraq, and Libya adopting the vehicle. These nations saw the M53-59 as a cost-effective solution to bolster their anti-aircraft capabilities, particularly for low-altitude air defense. In addition to its anti-aircraft role, the M53-59 found extensive use as a ground support weapon, particularly in conflicts where close-quarter engagements and suppression of infantry were required. The dual-purpose nature of the autocannons made the M53-59 a versatile tool on the battlefield. One of the most notable deployments of the M53-59 was during the Yugoslav Wars of the 1990s. Yugoslavia had ordered 220 of these systems between 1965 and 1968, and they remained in service when the conflict erupted in the Balkans. The M53-59 played a significant role in the conflict, especially in the urban and rugged environments, where it could be used to suppress infantry or light vehicles. However, the vehicle's limitations, particularly its manual targeting system and poor performance, in adverse weather conditions became evident during the conflict. Despite these drawbacks, its sheer firepower made it a deadly weapon in the Yugoslav Wars, and many units were inherited by the successor states including Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Slovenia, and Serbia. Although production of the M53-59 ceased decades ago, it continues to see service in several countries today. Egypt remains one of the key operators of this system, and many other nations that acquired the vehicle during the Cold War era still keep it in reverse or use it in secondary roles. Over time, some operators have upgraded the M53-59 with modern targeting systems and communications equipment, extending its operational life. Despite its age, the M53-59's legacy in modern warfare is evident in how it influenced the development of the subsequent self-propelled anti-aircraft guns. Its design principles, particularly the use of a truck chassis to enhance mobility and ease of maintenance, continue to inspire modern anti-aircraft systems. The M53-59 demonstrated that where anti-aircraft systems could be effective in both anti-air and ground support roles, which remains a key concept in contemporary military doctrine. The M53-59 Praga stands as a testament to the ingenuity of Czechoslovak military engineering. Developed in the 1950s, it provided an affordable, reliable, and effective means of mobile anti-aircraft defense, while also offering ground support capabilities. Its deployment in conflicts like the Yugoslav Wars and its continued use by several nations highlight its versatility and enduring value. The modern air defense systems have surpassed it in technological sophistication. The M53-59's design legacy continues to influence modern self-propelled anti-aircraft guns, ensuring its place in military history.